Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech channel. Today, we'll be covering a vital topic that can dramatically boost your DevOps skills. We are talking about implementing blue-green deployment for a Flask app on AWS using Code Deploy. Now, this may sound a bit complex, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it's all about. So, let's dive right in. Before we get our hands dirty with actual implementation, it's important to first understand what blue-green deployment is. In simple terms, it's a release management strategy that reduces downtime and risk by running two identical production environments, called blue and green. The real power of blue-green deployment lies in its simplicity. It minimizes downtime and thus keeps your users happy by providing a seamless experience, even during updates. In case something goes wrong, you can easily and quickly roll back to the previous version. Now, to set the context, we'll be hosting a simple Flask web application using AWS's Elastic Beanstalk service. Flask is a micro-web framework written in Python and is easy to use and understand. For deploying updates to our app, we will use AWS Code Deploy, a fully managed deployment service that automates software deployments to a variety of compute services such as Amazon EC2, AWS Fargate, AWS Lambda, and your on-premises servers. To get started with the process, we first need to have our Flask app ready. You can use the Flask app you have or make a simple one for this example. Next, we need an AWS account. If you don't have one, head over to the AWS website and create an account. It's free to sign up and you'll get access to a ton of cloud-based tools and services. Once we have our Flask app and AWS account ready, the next step is to implement the blue-green deployment. We start by pushing our Flask app to an AWS code commit repository. After that, we'll create an application in Code Deploy and link it to our code commit repository. Next, we create two environments, blue and green, using Elastic Beanstalk. These environments have their own EC2 instances, and the app from the repository will be deployed on these environments alternatively. The important part comes when we set up our Code Deploy to automate the deployments. We set up rules for switching traffic from blue to green or vice versa whenever a new update is pushed to our code commit repository. That's it. You've now implemented blue-green deployment for your Flask app on AWS using Code Deploy. This approach will not only ensure zero downtime for your app, but also provides an easy rollback in case of any deployment failures. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, try implementing this with a simple Flask app and then gradually move on to more complex applications. We hope this video has been informative for you. Make sure to subscribe for more videos on cloud, AWS, Docker, DevOps, and Kubernetes topics. And don't hesitate to drop your questions in the comment section below. Until our next video, happy coding!